Right, so Unibest number 1. UTSA. Right, so we'll do it, guys. Jeremy. Mateo Ongale. Little first auto, Anthony Hill Jr. Best of 25 refractor. Spar Colin. So Katron Allen refractors. Field Day Gold Shimmer. Such a shimmer. Bo Brabula. Or nope. Matt Zollers. I think just a shimmer. So the M spot. It's Colin. Little making the grade. Brendan Sorsby. Sam Leavitt's Field Day. Little grade house. Javian. So Jaden Ball. There's Chase. For the Skurs. Little green mini diamonds. 82 and 99. It's Ja'Cory Barney Jr. Best of 25. For the J spot Colin. It's Marcel Reed refractor. Brendan Lewis Aqua 15 of 15. It's like a green aqua. So the B spot Colin. So Peoples. Cool. Send the house. Little TJ Parker. Stuart Bryant Wesco. Oh, they flipped the pouch. Still Lewis Bond. Little prospect jumbo relic auto. Silver refractor. Man, I want to see one of those sick patches. For the L spot Colin. Little Deshaun Bishop. Shimmer is Marcel Reed 250. Yellow laser. Same spots. Last spot Mojo. It's little Bryce making the grade. It's Concepcion Field Day. For Prabula. Little Fernando base. Marcel. Sam. Little Jordan Tyson's. A good name. One of the top receivers in the draft. So best of 25 blue 150 for the J spots. There's Baron Morton refractor. Ty Simpson 75. So purple lava. Black Jack. Yeah, this best is sweet. The Hill Prabula showpieces. Stockton. It's another Ja'Cory Barney. A lot of Skurs. A lot of Skurs in that box. Little Unibest number 1. Thanks for jumping in, fellas.